दोनों बच्चे बाहर। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गुड इवनिंग। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? अच्छे हैं? आर यू डूइंग गुड? बच्चा कैसा कर रहा है? बच्चे कैसे चल रहे हैं? आपके ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे या बच्चा विद ऑटिज्म कैसा कर रहे हैं? गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग। You guys are good? Everybody good? Yeah? स्कूल्स के एडमिशन हो गए? सब हो गया? रख दीजिए हमको। ओके, क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स लेंगे आपके। पहले आज ये बताइए कि आपके हिसाब से ऑटिज्म क्या भला है, क्या है? एकदम जंजाल है, दुर्भाग्य है? मैं आज काफ़ी थक गई हूँ, काफ़ी काम था। तो आपके हिसाब से ऑटिज्म क्या भला है? What is autism according to you? It's a disability, it's a handicap, it's a pain in the wrong place, it is a punishment from God. What is it? What is it? Neurological disorder. Wow, that's a big one there. Yeah. न्यूरोलॉजिकल ठीक है, कंडीशन तक ठीक है। डिसऑर्डर क्यों लगता है आपको? डिसऑर्डर मतलब कोई चीज़ जो ऑर्डरली नहीं है ना? आपको क्यों लगता है वो ऑर्डरली नहीं है? बताओ। क्योंकि जैसे आप चाहते हो वैसे वो नहीं करता है ना? जो आपके हिसाब से सही है वो शायद उस बच्चे के हिसाब से सही नहीं है। जैसे आपने दुनिया देखी, या द वे यू सॉ थिंग्स एंड द वे योर फादर टोल्ड यू, योर मदर टोल्ड यू, एंड देन द वे देयर पेरेंट्स टोल्ड देम दिस इज द राइट way of being. We don't talk loudly when there's nobody, we just stay quiet. So there is a set norm of things that is supposed to be done on Mother Earth, right? All the things that are according to that norm are orderly, and all the things that are not according to the norm are disorderly, right? So it becomes a neurological disorder. Yeah, it's just the way we think, है ना? हम किसी चीज़ को कैसे परसीव करते हैं वो चीज़ वैसी ही तो हो जाती है हमारे लिए, है कि नहीं? पहले वो डिसऑर्डर बनता है, फिर वो डिसएबिलिटी बनता है, फिर वो कहीं ना कहीं डिजीज़ बन जाता है। जब फिर हम वो डॉक्टरों के चक्कर काटते हैं जो बोलते हैं करेलों से ठीक कर देंगे, आलूओं से ठीक कर देंगे, या पता नहीं क्या 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 क्या। बीमार कब था जिसे ठीक कर रहे हैं आप? फिर उसकी गट तक पहुंच जाते हैं, इसकी गट में प्रॉब्लम है। मेरे बेटे को अभी हुआ ना, गट में घमासान, टाइफाइड हो गया था। उसके लिए तो एंटीबायोटिक समझ आती है, टाइफाइड है गट में, है ना? हमारे बच्चों की, ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे की गट को क्या हो गया? क्यों उसकी गट के पीछे पड़ गए हम? और क्या हम पालेंगे? अब हम सेप्ट्रेंडियस टैबलेट देख के उसकी गट में से टाइफाइड निकाल रहे हैं, ये तो समझ में आ रहा है ना? टैक्सिम ओ, ये बड़े बड़े अभी मेरे को भी नाम सीखे हैं, ये दे रहे हैं क्योंकि उसकी गट में टाइफॉइड का बैक्टीरिया बैठ गया था क्योंकि उसने बाहर गंदे गोलगप्पे खा लिए। हाँ, मेरा जय दिल्ली में, ही हैड टू गेट एडमिटेड, काफ़ी लंबा चौड़ा चक्कर पड़ा हमें। लेकिन जब कोई गट के अंदर बैक्टीरिया नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, तो बैठे बिठाए आपने गट को क्या चेंज करना है? All of this happens, because of that one thing, the way we think and look at things. Yeah, the way our children will atypically line toys and not play with toys the way the other children will play with toys, the way they will not understand it's not okay to shout when everybody is watching and they might shout. So we will call it a disorder. Yeah, and then that disorder will turn into a disability, and then that disability will somewhere become a disease. So then we will run to these stem cell therapy people and this and that and CF and GF because we want to cure the disease. And eventually when we will get no results, it will become a, what's the word? Handicap. And then we will start crying, God, why did you find me out of all the people on earth for this problem? My kid is handicapped. How could you? And then the rest of the life is gone. Yeah. If only we changed the way, we look at things. Dr. Wayne Dyer, he's no more. I follow him to this date through his videos and all. Amazing personality. God bless his soul. Thank God planet Earth was blessed by somebody like Dr. Wayne Dyer. So he says, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Yeah. So if you change the way you look at things for your autistic child, बोलो अब बड़ी बड़ी अंग्रेजी मत बोलो, मेरा बच्चा रोने को आता है ना तो तुम्हारी भूगा संवार देगा रजनी, तुम्हें क्या पता? या आपके दिल में क्या चल रहा है वो भी पता है मुझे, है ना? क्यों वो बोलते हैं ना, मैंने धूप में बाल नहीं सफ़ेद किए, मेरे तो सफ़ेद नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने क्या रोते बच्चे नहीं देखे। हाँ, ज़मीनों पे लेट के थप्पड़ नहीं खाए मैंने बच्चों से, हाँ, नोचा नहीं उन्होंने मुझे, पता नहीं क्या क्या। हाँ, understand, when a child gives behaviors, that's because they have a difficulty with communication. So autism is a difficulty, right? It's a challenge. There is a difficulty with communication because their brain is wired differently. So communication doesn't happen to them that easily. That results in frustration. Frustration results in anger. Impulse control less in our children, okay? Because the brain is wired differently. They think differently, right? But if we begin to understand their thinking, we can get them to become more functional. Yes or no? Yeah? So autism is basically a spectrum condition, okay? From here to here. And the only way it will make any sense to anybody is when we will work on the symptoms, okay, so that their life becomes easy and they can gel well with this world which is actually making no sense to them. ये कितने लोगों को बात समझ आई? Send a thumbs up or a heart or some way that I know that you have understood what I am saying. Yeah? Show me somehow that you have understood what I am saying. Autism is a spectrum condition. Your child is confused with this world because according to them the world is disordered. Yeah, they are not able to speak. They are very irritated because of that. They don't have the words. They don't know which word to put behind what to make it sound like what it should sound like. Give it to you so you understand and you help them. They want to tell you something, they don't know how to tell you. They get irritated, they give you a behavior. How many of you understood this? Give me a thumbs up. See, if you don't interact, I will not know. I will not know if you have understood what I am saying or not. I don't see no interaction, so I don't know. Tell me. Have you understood? Write yes in the chat so I know you have understood. Last time somebody said मेरी आवाज़ ही नहीं आ रही थी. आवाज़ तो आ रही है ना आप लोगों को? हाँ, देखो कितनी देर बाद यस आया. और मे बी इट्स द इंटरनेट इशू. या my child is not at all able to control it. So those are the difficulties. Communication is a difficulty. Yeah. Impulse control is a difficulty. Hyperactivity, excessive movement is a difficulty because the brain wiring is different. They think different. They process information differently. Yeah. While we can call it as a difficulty, we can call it as a challenge, but not a disorder or a disability. होता है ना, cookies are disabled. If it's disabled, there's nothing you can do to enable it unless you enable it. है ना, वो काम ही नहीं करेगा. तो disorder, disability ऐसा सोच के चलेंगे तो हम अपने बच्चों के साथ कभी justice नहीं कर पाएंगे. Are you getting me? So, first thing, if your child is not understanding, what will you do? Break it down into simpler things. Show it to them. Make them touch things. Feel things. Okay. So suppose they are not getting what is banana. So pick a banana, give it to them, make them hold it. Say banana. Yeah. Take the plastic wala banana fruits which are with velcro and you cut it with a knife. Okay. The plastic knife. वो toys आते ना. Spread in front of you. Say इसमें से and have apple, watermelon, सारे spread करो. बोलो banana उठाओ, fix करो. So if the child picks up the two proper pieces and fixes, the child has learnt banana. So like this, increase their awareness of the surrounding. First to one words, nouns, then to verbs. बैठ जाओ, उठो, पकड़ के खड़ा करो, है ना? Connect with them. Lots of tickling, hugging, love, kissing, mama, back ride, so that they are happy and connected with you. Okay? Most impulse control happens when a child is connected. Okay? Then put firm boundaries around them. No, when they throw a tantrum, you don't throw an adult tantrum, please. Child is throwing a tantrum, parents throwing a tantrum. Double. हाँ, अपने अपने साइज के हिसाब से टैंट्रम हो रहा है. उसका इतना साइज है, वो इतना टैंट्रम कर रहा है. हमारा इतना साइज है, हम इतना टैंट्रम कर रहे हैं. उसके दो झापड़ जड़ दिए, हम चीख रहे हैं, हम उसको हिला रहे हैं. क्या यहाँ टैंट्रम का कंपटीशन हो रहा है क्या? कौन ज्यादा टैंट्रम करेगा? हैं? आप शांत रहोगे. बच्चा टैंट्रम करेगा, प्लीज आप शांत रहोगे. और क्या करोगे? फर्म बाउंड्रीज. यू विल से नो, सिट. वो जितना मर्जी टैंट्रम करे, आपके चेहरे पे शिकन नहीं. आप वहां से उठे, आप कमरे से चले गए. यू क्लोज द डोर, यू वॉक अवे. अब यू वॉक अवे, आपके पीछे आएगा फिर आपको टैंट्रम दिखाने के लिए, क्योंकि उसको रिएक्शन चाहिए. नहीं देंगे रिएक्शन, नो. जब तक वो सेटल नहीं होगा, आप शांति बनाए रखिए. पर आपके दिमाग में तो डांस चल रहा है. इसके भविष्य का क्या होगा, कल को क्या होगा. अरे आज तो संभाल लो, कल भी देख लेंगे, है ना? आज संभलेगा तो ही तो कल संभलेगा. अभी से घबराने लगोगे कल को क्या होगा, तो कैसा होगा? क्योंकि आप बहुत सारे लोगों से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कोई बाहर वाला हेल्प कर दे, भगवान जी हेल्प कर दे. कैसे होता है ऐसे? कोई नहीं हेल्प करेगा, है ना? भगवान जी आपको कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं? आपको सद्बुद्धि देके कि इसके साथ ढंग से डील करो, डिफरेंटली डील करो. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू डू विद अ किड ऑन द ऑटिज्म स्पेक्ट्रम is to learn the way the kid functions. Okay? We do not power wrong behaviors. We put firm boundaries with a smile. We allow them that space when they are tantruming by moving out from there. Slowly the child realizes my parent is not giving attention. ना कि पूरी फैमिली, दादी समेत, दादाजी समेत, पापा जी, ये जी, वो जी, मेड भी, सब आगे टैंट्रम करने. अरे इसको फलानी चीज दे दो, अरे इसको चुप करो. फिर नहीं कुछ होता. ठीक है? So move away from that place. Build a connect with your child. If you're connected with your child, the chances are that your child will impulse control much faster. Create a structure, because उनको चीज़ें सीखने में मुश्किल आती है. अब आप बोलेंगे तो फिर डिसऑर्डर नहीं है तो क्या है, सीखने में मुश्किल आती है ना. हाँ, लेकिन कई ऐसी चीज़ें हैं वो इतनी कमाल की करेंगे. उनका जो DRD4 है वो आपका नॉर्मल बच्चा सो कॉल्ड न्यूरोटिपिकल नहीं कर सकता. क्यों है ऐसा? क्योंकि न्यूरोटिपिकल बच्चे के अंदर नॉवेल्टी सीकिंग जीन नहीं है. वो रेगुलर है, रेगुलर. ये वाला रेगुलर नहीं है. इसके कोई एरियाज वीक हैं और कोई एरियाज आसमान छुएगा, पर आप वहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे ही नहीं क्योंकि आपको उसके वीक एरियाज पे काम ही नहीं करना आया. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? या थैंक यू विश्व. I'll call you Vishwa, thank you. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, here's the point. A kid is a kid first. Neurotypical or neurodiverse later. Neurotypical has 1000 problems, I'm telling you, 1000 problems. झूठ बोलते हैं, बात नहीं मानते हैं. अरे मत पूछो, आजकल मेरा बड़ा वाला आया हुआ है, वो पीछे पड़ के छोटे वाले को टिफिन निकाल बैग से, वॉशरूम जाओ, यूनिफॉर्म चेंज करो. वो मेरे को कहता है क्यों पीछे पड़ गया मेरे? क्योंकि वो डिसिप्लिन्ड है. तू 4 बजे तक यूनिफॉर्म में घूमेगा, है ना? वो नहीं करता ऐसे, वो आके पहले चेंज करता है. सो न्यूरोटिपिकल्स ऑल्सो हैव देयर ओन थिंग्स. हमको दिखते नहीं क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग पे बोझ होता है ये डिसेबल्ड भगवान ने हमें ही क्यों देना था, हमारे ही बच्चे को डिसेबिलिटी क्यों? अरे डिसेबिलिटी नहीं है, आपका बच्चा डिफरेंटली सोचता है. आपको उसके तौर तरीके सीखना होंगे. आप सीखोगे तो बच्चे को सिखा सकोगे. या माई सन इज 13 years old, ही इज इन 8th standard. एक मिनट, और क्या पूछा है आपने? ही इज गुड इन स्टडीज, आई एम वरीड कि क्या प्लान करूं. देखिए, he is good in studies is very good, Simi Dogra, but you have to be very practical, realistic. Does your child have enough comprehension, logic, ability, memory, active working memory to be able to crack a CBSE? If no, it's high time to shift over to NIOS with easier subjects and focus more on teaching him functional language, because that will serve him all his life. In CBSE you will teach him matching valencies, Mediterranean savanna grasslands, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. उसके किसी काम नहीं आना. Okay? Rather than that, when we work on developing his language skills, his social skills, his different kinds of his everyday functioning abilities, ADL skills, वो उसको ज़्यादा काम आता है. NIOS का आपने इजी थोड़ा सा सिलेबस उसको करवा दिया, 10th वहाँ से करवा दी, और जो टाइम बचा ना उसमें उसको वो स्किल्स सिखाइए जो स्किल्स सीख करके उसकी लाइफ कंफर्टेबल होएगी. इट्स क्वाइट आयरनी व्हेन आई सी कि बच्चे को ये ग्रेजुएशन करा लिए किसी ने. हाँ, CBSE से 10th 12th सब करा लिए, ग्रेजुएशन करा लिए, और रोड क्रॉस करने के लिए वो इतने बड़े ऊँट जैसे लड़के का हाथ पकड़ के रोड क्रॉस करा रहे. तो क्या पाया हमने, है ना? क्योंकि वो ग्रेजुएशन उसको ज़िंदगी में इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं देगी. वो अबिलिटी टू क्रॉस द रोड, अबिलिटी टू बुक एन ओला, अबिलिटी टू बुक हिज ओन ट्रेन और फ्लाइट टिकट्स, टू बी एबल टू गो अर्न अ लिविंग, वो देगी. ग्रेजुएशन के बाद भी नौकरी कोई नहीं देगा जब तक ये सारी एबिलिटीज़ नहीं होगी. कोई धर्म कर्म के नाम पे 10,000 की नौकरी दे दे, लेकिन उससे ज़िंदगी नहीं होती है. एक प्रॉपर कॉर्पोरेट हाउस में अगर आप चाहते हो काम करे तो उसको उतनी लैंग्वेज होना चाहिए, उसके उतने स्किल्स होना चाहिए, ADLs होना चाहिए, उसकी वर्किंग कैपेसिटी होना चाहिए, उसकी इंडिपेंडेंट लिविंग होना चाहिए. वो कहाँ से आ रहा है? वो सब हम सिखाने की जगह पर उसको एटॉमिक नंबर सिखा रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, एटॉमिक, और वो नाम सिखा रहे होते हैं उनको. इसका केमिकल नेम क्या है? सोडियम नाट्रियम, सिल्वर अर्जेंटम, गोल्ड अरम AU. हाँ, फिर उसको H2SO4 प्लस NaCl इज इक्वल टू Na2SO4 प्लस HCl, एसिड बेस एल्कली. हाँ, ये वो चीज़ें जो मैंने रटी थी आज तक मेरे किसी काम नहीं आई हैं, किसी काम नहीं आई हैं. लेकिन वो चीज़ें कि कहाँ से कौन सी ट्रेन मिलेगी, किधर से क्या बस मिलेगा, उसने मुझे ज़िंदगी भर हेल्प किया है, और मेरे बच्चे को भी. सो हियर्स द पॉइंट माय डियर सिमी, डू फंक्शनल करिकुलम विद योर चाइल्ड. If he can handle a CBSE at the cost of not compromising his ADL, social and language, do CBSE. But if for doing CBSE you have to compromise ADL, social and language, doing CBSE is not the good thing for him. No, it's better than to do NIOS and spend most of your time in teaching your child practical, functional, everyday life skills, because his entire life का सवाल है. I hope this answered your question. Now, we Sashakt Empowering Lives are coming to Pune. Anybody here from Pune? Yeah, and even for people who are not from Pune, there's not a problem to travel, because we'll be doing an offline event for 2 solid days. I'm going to be teaching you behavior correction, okay, to the core. I'll be teaching you language development to the extent of how do you get your kid to ask questions. So many children on our platform have now started asking questions, arguing with parents. Yeah, lying also. We teach them how to lie. They have to survive in this world. Yeah, so while it is a good idea to go and tell your boss, I overslept, that's why I'm late, it doesn't help your career. You rather tell him, there was too much traffic on the road and I got stuck. Yeah. So these kind of understandings also our children are developing, because they need it going forward to live their lives. Yeah. So I'm going to be taking up behaviors, language, social skill building, how to make friends, how to invite somebody over, how to go to somebody's place. As you grow up, as kids, how to make friends, how to behave in birthday parties, lots of stuff. Then life skills training, at what age, what your child should be able to do, and then teaching them academics using specific customized books and materials, because of which it will be easy for the child to learn and then perform in the class. Always understand, if your foundational skills are weak, school will only happen so far. After that, khatam. And then your theory of disability will, you will say, देखा बकवास कर रही थी ना रजनी, ये डिसेबल्ड नहीं है तो क्या है, हैंडीकैप नहीं है तो क्या है. तो आपको जाना था चेन्नई और आप चढ़ गए चंडीगढ़ की फ्लाइट पे, फिर चंडीगढ़ पहुंच के रोते हो कि ये थोड़ी चेन्नई है. तो किसी की क्या गलती है? सही एरोप्लेन पकड़ना चाहिए था, ताकि चंडीगढ़ नहीं चेन्नई ही पहुंचते. That's the problem. Use the right tools, use the right resources. So our numbers I'm writing here. Anybody who wants to check about the Pune event, wants to come, most welcome. 9th and 10th of May, 82082 63402. Write down the numbers, please. 82082 63402. Supriya, are you there? If you are there, write down the numbers and pin it. And 90119 97878. Yeah, 90119 97878. These are the 2 numbers. Okay, connect here for the Pune event. Please understand, an empowered parent creates an empowered child. Okay, if your vision today is only till your child on the floor shouting, screaming, eating away the pencil and the paper, it's not going any far. This is just a phase. It is there because you don't know how to handle it. If you want your child to tomorrow be able to do 10th and 12th and go to college, you need to know the right strategies. So don't live, they always say live by the day, no? For autism, don't live by the day. Execute by the day, but live by the decade or 2 decades to say, this is where I have to reach. So these smaller hiccups, I don't mind. I will keep on working. I need to learn how to keep on working on them. Yeah, I need state-of-the-art technology, material, understanding, because that is where I have to reach. Not just this कि किसी तरीके से इसका ये सर मारना और काटना ख़त्म हो जाए. ये तो 1 हफ्ते में ख़त्म हो जाएगा अगर आपके पास सही स्ट्रैटेजी, टेक्निक्स, मटेरियल्स होंगे. या फॉर दोज हु कांट मेक इट टू द पुणे इवेंट, living anywhere outside, not possible, our master class will happen. This will be on coming Thursday. Yeah, type I in the chat box so my team can send you the details. Type I in the chat box for the online event and type I Pune if you want details on the Pune event. Yeah, so they will send you the numbers and somebody will get in touch with you. Yeah, autism is every way bit workable. Every way bit workable. Yeah, with autism every kid can succeed, and no, you don't have to clean the gut, okay, by selling your house and paying them in the weight of gold for the medicines that they want you to. You have to teach them according to neurodiverse brain thinking methods. Okay, it's called autism specific teaching and training techniques. When you teach using autism specific teaching and training techniques, success is the only possible outcome. Yeah. All right. Sharifa, thank you, Sharifa. Yeah. I see Supriya is here. Supriya, just anybody who wants details, type I and Supriya send the details, and type I and Pune and send the numbers. Dreams makeover artist. If I asked something, she is thinking, and what Amma use tell I tell. I don't get that question. ये नहीं समझ आया मुझे, क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आया. My daughter is forgetting in studies and she's confusion and depend on me. Okay, great. अभी बाद में बात करते हैं. I'm in a session. हाँ, okay. I'm in a session. बाद में बात करते हैं. हाँ, आप ले लो. कहाँ पे है? उधर बात करो. Yeah. Okay. My daughter is forgetting in studies and she is confusion and depend on me. Dreams makeover artist. Yeah. Understand. We forget that which we wrote learn. Ratta. We never forget that which we experience. So if you experienced something at the age of 5 years, you still know it at the age of 40. Because it went inside. Our children forget because they have no idea of concepts. They don't know concepts. Yeah. When we teach them experiential connect, which means we make them touch it, feel it, we make them. So if we have to teach them, let's say for an older kid who's doing good school, everything, so we want to teach them the globe, the map, okay, we want to teach them countries. Yeah, we are going to have to show them, the globe, then pick up a mapology game and make them fix which country is, then probably show them the aeroplane, that when you're in the aeroplane this looks so small like this, then show them through YouTube. We have to bring that mental image to the child so that they can then understand through experience, and then they never forget. When we are saying 7 and you put one more, it's not making a picture in their head that, okay, these many were 7, and then what one more? What? So you have to tangibilize it. I had 7 apples. See, I put one more apple. Now see how many? Now it looks big. She can touch and feel and see that these are 8 apples. There's more. That's when it gets connected experientially. Otherwise, she'll keep looking at your face that last time, what did mama say? Was it 8? Was it 10? What did she say? And if she remembers and if she's lucky, she'll say 8. But if she's forgotten and she's thinking between the two, I heard something called 10, I heard something called 8. What was it? And she goes, 10. And then you say, there she goes. She doesn't know. Yeah, because we didn't teach it the way they would have learned it. Got it? Dreams makeover artist. You need to create a system or follow a created system where your child gets an opportunity to touch, feel, see from multi-sensorial teaching techniques, not just eyes and ears. That's all we use, okay? We show them and we talk, so they listen, and that's it. In the notebook, we show them. No. Eyes, ears, all the senses involved. You're kinesthetic. So if I have to teach a child how to add, and I know he's like my Jay, he wants to run and he's all the time, he's a very hatta katta kind of a thing. Okay. Like Jay is not fat, but he likes to be in the gym, on the road, running, skating. So then I will take a basketball and say, okay, I'll take 2 basketballs and say, bounce 4 times with the orange one and 3 times with the white one. And then on your fingers, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times we bounced? 4 and 3 is 7. We bounced 7 times. अब मजा लेके उसको ना आ जाए, है ना? At the end of the day, the whole big point is this: we will either find an excuse to get out of the hard work, or we will make it happen. The excuse is called disability. Remember that. The excuse is called disability, because who is going to put in so much effort? But if not me as a mother, who else? If not me as a mother, who else? And if I also don't want to do it, then where does the kid go? Who answers that touchy question? That's all I have to ask. Yeah? So whether I like it or not, I'm gonna have to take him to the park, pick up 7 pattas, then pick up 3 more purple pattas and say 7 green and 3 purple together, and then add them and then do it in the copy and all the magajmari. Because if not me, then who? So I have to first understand how my kid is going to learn, and then start teaching, and then do it as a tapasya for so many years, and then know tomorrow if I live or I die. हम आशीर्वाद देते ना अपने बच्चों को जब वो पैर छूते हैं, बोलते ना खुश रहो. तो ये आशीर्वाद सिर्फ ऐसे करके नहीं दिया जाता है, ऐसे करके नहीं दिया जाता है. ये आशीर्वाद इस देह को गला करके दिया जाता है, तब वो असल में आशीर्वाद बनता है. इसको निचोड़ दिया जाता है जब मेहनत डाल के, तब जो हाथ उठता है ना, तो बच्चा असल में खुश रहता है, क्योंकि हमने उसे इस लायक बना दिया कि वो जीवन भर खुश रह सके. खाली ऐसा रख के बोल देंगे खुश रहो, और उसके खुश रहने का इंतज़ाम हमने कुछ किया नहीं, सिखाया नहीं उसके हिसाब से जैसे उसको आ जाता, तो फिर कैसे खुश रहेगा बताइए? सही बोला कि गलत बोला? चलिए, on that note, people, come on in for the masterclass. It's on Thursday. Learn. I'm going to be talking about behaviors, language, social, self-help, academic skills, sensory issues, and Pune, which is going to be on 9th and 10th of May. 82082 63402 90119 97878. Type I and Pune. My team will send you details. Type I, they will send you details for masterclass. I will see you at the masterclass. Bye. May each kid win by having a parent who's ready to fight to the finish. Bye.